Is your iPhone camera stuck on a black screen, leaving you unable to capture life's precious moments? Don't worry. This is a frustrating but often fixable problem. Let's dive into how to bring your iPhone camera back to life. First, the simplest solution: a forced restart for most iPhones. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button finally. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This can clear out temporary software glitches that might be causing the black screen. If a restart didn't work, let's check your camera app itself. Close the camera app by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and pausing in the middle. Then, swipe the camera app card up and off the screen. Reopen the camera app to see if the issue is resolved. Sometimes the problem isn't the hardware, but a setting. Go to your iPhone's settings. Tap on camera, then tap on formats. Try switching from high efficiency to most compatible, or vice versa, as this can sometimes affect camera functionality. Another potent fix is updating your iOS. Head to Settings, tap on General, and then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Apple frequently releases updates that include bug fixes for camera issues. If none of those steps work, try resetting all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Then reset and choose Reset All Settings. This won't erase your data but will revert system settings to their defaults, potentially fixing a misconfigured option causing the black screen. If after all these steps your camera remains black, there might be a hardware issue. In that case, it's best to contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider to get it professionally diagnosed and repaired.